The exact location is Hillcrest Villagers Athletics Club. Right now, I'm about to speak to one of the partners, one of the sponsors, which is Mr. Price Sports. And I'm joined in studio right now by Head of Marketing, Phillipa Feher. Good morning to you and welcome to Vuma FM.
Good morning. What a beautiful day to be out.
Yeah, it's nice. Everything about it is beautiful, from the runners, all the stores that I see here, and all the beautiful match that you got here. I'm sure people who are here today are very excited to see you. But yeah, tell us about you being part of this. How did it come about, and why is it important for Mr. Price Sports to be part of this?
Oh, this has been such a beautiful partnership for us, and it actually dates back more than the 7 years, and we've actually been the sports apparel partner. We have been part of Comrades for decades. I'm sure you remember the Mr. Price runners from way back when. Right now to for 7 years of partnership that we've been an apparel partner. But really for us, it's such a perfect partnership. We're a KZN brand. Comrades is a KZN brand. It is really just two people coming together for the ultimate human race.
Great stuff indeed. I know Mr. Price Sport is the go-to store for many people who want to shop up for their sporting gear and stuff like that. But it is also very exciting for us to see you on the ground as well, being part of a community event. Is that part of the values of the company?
Yeah, so really for us, it's not just being there for the day of Comrades, it's really the build-up. We want to be the partner for the runner, the running partner. We've been on the ground several times over the last few months at these route testers, cheering the guys on at the end, making sure they're hydrated, making sure there's a vibe, and then just giving them a voucher so they can go and shop for all those last bits and pieces, just adding that little bit of extra value.
Tell us about those vouchers and all the things that you're giving away. I saw some of our runners with the towels here. Tell us about that.
So we always know when you finish a race, especially in the top 10, you get a towel. So just for fun, we're giving away towels for the guys who are running today, and then a R100 voucher so they can go and pop in, get their last pair of socks, their hydration, etc. Yeah, just to get them ready for the day.
I know that the Max Elite Running Club is also going to be part of this year's Comrades Marathon, as they always have been. Tell us about that, and what are we looking forward to when it comes to these runners?
So the Max Elite Running Club is actually the oldest running club in the country, which is amazing, and it's run by Martin Ngwenya. We've got 17 guys in the field this year, so we've got our fingers crossed. I always know Martin has got his strategies, so we're hoping those come through. But yeah, such an incredible bunch of people who are really part of our business, not just part of the running club. So we'll be on the sideline at Adam Last Road, really cheering these guys on. So we're hoping for some golds.
What will be the colors, and who should we look up for on the day? Because we're going to be glued on our screens, also on the sidelines of Vuma FM. Who should we look up for, and what will be the colors for Mr. Price Sport?
So obviously it'll be the Max Elite Running Club, and from a commentator point of view, you will definitely hear that word Max Elite several times in the broadcast, so we go, yay!
Yeah.
But we're definitely in the red and black and white. You'll see the guys up in the front pack, so we're holding thumbs.
Great stuff. Thank you very much for joining us this morning. Maybe final words to runners in Upper Highway and the whole of KZN. What would you say to them?
I just think enjoy the day. I know I live up in the Upper Highway area. I live on the route. I see the guys training every day. My heart just, it's such a beautiful run, and just the effort that goes into actually running the Comrades, the training, the hours. As Mr. Price Sport, we are there with you. We are there as your partner. We'll be cheering you on, and from the elite runners all the way to the everyman. Good luck for this ultimate human race.
Great stuff. Thank you very much. Next time, we want to see you run.
Maybe for the 100th on my 50th.
Okay. That is indeed Phillipa Feher, who is head of marketing from Mr. Price Sport. Thank you very much.
Thank you.